The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Thursday. We are now on the fourth day of our reflections about our patron protector, Saint Joseph. And in our gospel, it will be coming from Saint Matthew, chapter 7, verses 7 to 12. Today, let us reflect on Saint Joseph as the model among all our fathers. A father who will provide. In the letter of Pope Francis recently, during the year of Saint Joseph, Patris Corde, he mentioned about Saint Joseph being creatively courageous father. What is a creative and courageous father? He is someone who will do everything and will exhaust all the efforts, all his talents, everything that he can, just so he can provide for the family. Remember how Saint Joseph was able to do everything in spite of having no place for Mary to give birth. He was creatively courageous in providing for a place of Mary's giving birth. And remember how Saint Joseph was able to guide the Holy Family in their flight to Egypt. He was a carpenter, and definitely being uprooted from one place to another, that would be difficult for him to provide for the family. But he made an effort, courageously creative man, to provide for the Holy Family. And remember how they lived at Nazareth. Saint Joseph was the man of the house, providing for the Holy Family. And that is exactly what the gospel is asking from all of us. You have to knock, you have to ask, you have to search. That is a father. Will knock, will search, will ask. A creatively courageous father will always be humble, even to the point of asking the help of others, not for himself, but for his family. He will always be there to take the risk, to be humble, to beg if necessary, just for his family. That is Saint Joseph, creatively courageous. Today, let us pray for all the fathers, that they will be good providers. And like Saint Joseph, let everyone be creatively courageous and not giving a stone when a child asks for a bread, nor giving a snake when a son will ask for a fish. That's the gospel. That's like a Father in heaven providing for our needs as his children. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, let us look at Saint Joseph, a model of creatively courageous father who will do everything for his family. God bless you all.